Hello. Tonight we're going to look at dinner at our household. Tonight it's going to be chicken wings. What we have here is a plate of chicken wings, obviously. Very inexpensive and tasty meal. Also the other ingredients, we have shake and bake and a mixture here that I made, which is some Worcestershire, some barbecue sauce, some honey, and some spices. We will then place the chicken wings after they go through the assembly line onto the pan. Then we will bake them for 375 for 30 minutes. Be sure to watch part 2 of this to see the finished chicken wings.